There are many popular ways to travel. One of the most popular destinations is Tokyo. The train can be the easiest and the most confusing ways to travel to Tokyo. The Misawa train station is roughly around 10 minutes from the Naval Air Facility Misawa if you're driving or taking a taxi. From the Misawa train station, you can get to Tokyo, but you have to buy 2 train tickets to get there. The first train ticket you buy is from the Moritabi shop. The shop is located to the right of the train station entrance. From there, you will buy your Tokyo Bullet Train ticket for 15,500 yen.
ローカルトレインで特急さあ
The second train ticket you will buy will be from the Omori line, Misawa to Hachinoi, which costs 550 yen. You can buy these tickets at the ticket machine or in the shop right next to the machine. On the ticket machine, there is an English button in the upper right hand corner to make navigation a little easier. The Misawa to Hachinoi ride takes roughly around 10 to 20 minutes. When boarding the train, make sure you look at the correct platform. Also pay close attention to the signs. The signs are in Japanese and English, and if all else fails, the workers there are more than willing to help. Train doors are not automatic. On the side of the train doors, there is an open and close button you have to push. Once you get to Hachinoi, you have to go to the JR line and follow the signs to the platform. To get through the rail pass, you have to insert your ticket into the machine. Then you can make your way to the bullet train. The bullet train takes roughly around 3 hours, and then you'll be in Tokyo. To get back, just repeat the process. Only difference is you have to buy both tickets from the machines. Also, make sure you pay close attention to the platform and the signs. It's very important.